Advisor of All Manipur Students Union MSU District Committee, Jiribam Y. Sanjeev has drawn the attention of the Deputy Commissioner and Superintendent of Police Jiribam with regard to the COVID-19 situation in the district. He lamented that the Jiribam public members are not following the SOP guidelines despite a number of awareness programs and poster campaigns carried out by the district administration, civil society organizations, chief medical officer and church leaders. He expressed grave concern over the surging cases of COVID-19 in Jiribam. Y. Sanjeev also said that even though the police are strictly implementing the lockdown measures, the people are not following the government guidelines. He mentioned that most people coming to banks, markets and post office are not using face masks and not maintaining social distancing norms. A 10-year-old girl was run over by a Tata truck in a road mishap that occurred this morning at Sikhong Chingya Lekai under Ngapopi Sekmai Police Station in Thoubal District. She died on the spot. The deceased has been identified as baby Irina, daughter of Ithemcha of Sikhong Chingya Lekai. Police have registered a case regarding the incident according to a report. Thoubal Forest Department staff demolished 3 houses illegally constructed at Bengi Makhalekai in Guarog Reserve Forest under Thoubal Forest Division today. The eviction drive was led by RO Thoubal Range S. Samungau under the overall supervision of District Forest Officer Thoubal, Devala Laiprakpam. Yaripok Beat Officer M. Biren, his subordinate staff and Hairog Beat Officer were also present. RO S. Samungau appealed to the public to stop encroachment upon the reserve forest area in the interest of future generations. In the aftermath of the clash between Salungpham and Ringpam villages yesterday over a land dispute, a meeting was held today at the conference hall of Thoubal District Superintendent of Police. According to our Thoubal correspondent, village authorities of Ringpam, Tolen and Salungpham attended the meeting presided by Inspector General of Police John 1 K. Jayanta. During the meeting, it was decided to impose Section 144 of CRPC at the class site to ensure peace and tranquility in the area. It was also decided to hold another round of meeting on August 31st at the Thoubal Superintendent of Police office to discuss the issue. Joint Coordination Committee on Wildlife and Biodiversity JCCWB today caught 3 youths along with 3 earth-loaded vehicles at Haibokching of Langthabal in Imphal West. The 3 youths were later handed over to Hyangthang Beat Officer. Committee convener Romesh Ningthaujam said that despite the ban by Forest Department on earth mining from the hillside, many have defied the order. He appealed to the concerned authorities to take legal action against the wrongdoers. Under the joint initiative of Kekru Development Youth Club, KDYC and L. Domen Singh, sodium hypochlorite solution was sprayed at Yaripok, Kekru in Wangkhem constituency today. The locality has been declared a containment zone following 7 local residents have tested positive for COVID-19. KDYC Secretary Soraisam Ibungo Singh said that the sanitization drive was carried out as a part of the preventive measures against the COVID-19 pandemic. Under the new COVID-19 Standard Operating Procedures (SOPs) issued by Manipur Health Department and directive by Thoubal District Deputy Commissioner, all community quarantine centers across Thoubal and Khangabo were shut down today. According to our Thoubal correspondent, Thoubal District Deputy Commissioner had on August 27 last issued an order to shift the district screening center at Lilong Haurebi College to District Sports Complex. Khangabo Kendra MLA Surjakumar Okram attended the simple closing function held at the District Sports Complex, Kodompokpi. The MLA lauded all volunteers of Anti-COVID-19 Quarantine Community Center Khangabo Constituency and Thoubal Constituency COVID-19 Ed for their selfless services in the fight against the pandemic. The midday meal provided by Education Department Government of Manipur was today distributed to students of class 1 to 8 of Kaibi High School for the second phase at the school premises. Headmaster of the school, Ningthau Khongjam Ibungo, said that 4 kg rice each has been distributed to the students to help minimize their suffering amid the ongoing COVID-19 lockdown. 43 Assam Rifles Moray today organized a tree plantation drive in different parts of Moray town. The program started with planting of saplings at Jehovah Children Home. Captain Bharat of 43 Assam Rifles, More, led the tree plantation drive. Children and teachers of the home were also present during the program. Saplings were also planted at the campus of Integrated Checkpost, Adulam Rehabilitation Center, KLP More, Gate Number 1, Gate Number 4 and surrounding areas of 43 Assam Rifles, More. The festival of Haikru Hidongba or Hiang Tanaba was celebrated today at Lamlai, where the festival has been celebrating since 2013. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee co-opted member Achoibam Deven Singh was present on the occasion. The annual Haikru Hidongba festival of the Meitei community is also considered as the religious boat race festival. Fit India Club, Department of PESS and NSS Cell, Manipur University, Kanchipur, under the aegis of Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India, jointly celebrated the National Sports 2020 today at Traffic Point, Manipur University, Kanchipur, Imphal. Vice-Chancellor, Manipur University, Jarnail Singh, Dean of School of Human and Environmental Sciences, Professor R.A.S. Khuswaha, Dean of School of Humanities, Professor C.H. Yaswanta Singh, and Dean of Student Welfare's Manipur University, Chairman, Fit India Club, Professor T.H. Ratan Kumar Singh, attended the program as Presidium members. As a part of the event, a team of cyclists from Manipur Adventure and Mountain Biking Association Mamba took out a cycle rally. The Fit India Federation run was flagged off from the Traffic Point, Manipur University.